welcome to the Concert Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to launch a deployment run from a quick build. While we normally recommend building up to a deployment, you can launch a deployment run directly from a system or scenario. To do so, select the little power button from the Assets tile, then fill in the information as you would during a normal launch process. If you would like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. And for more in-depth explanations, visit our help site, CONS3RT.com/KB, the links to which are in the video description down below. And of course, if you have any questions, you can get in touch with our support team by submitting a ticket to support@concert.com. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.